Hello everyone. So I have made a quick chart of relation like what is dad, mom, brother, sister and very basic one. I didn't go in detail. There is actually more in detail, but I am putting it in a basic relation that you should know. So let's start. So suppose this is you. Okay? So your sister, elder sister is called as, so this is dental the and E matra. So it's the. The is elder sister and her, no, Bahan is younger sister. ठीक है? Didi and Bahan is sister. And then there is elder brother. So Bha, E, Ya. Sometimes this is like N sounding also. So Bhaya. Bhaiya is elder brother and e bhai is younger brother. So this is you, your sister and your brother. And then comes dad. So this is pa and a. So it becomes pa. Papa is dad. Then comes your mom. So this is ma and a matra. So it's ma with nasally and n soundings. So ma. And then comes your grandfather and grandmother. So father's dad is called as dental the plus a matra. So it will be da, 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 and grandmother will be called as da. This is E sounding. So da, di, dada, dadi. But your mother's dad is called differently. So it will be na plus a, na. So na. And mother's mom is ni. Nani. So nana, nani, dada, dadi. Father's dad is dada and mother's dad is nana. So we kind of say grandfather differently when it's father's side and when it's mother's side. Okay? And then you go to your dad's side. So uncle and aunties, we call it differently in Hindi. So uncle, if it is father's elder brother, then it's ta u. It will be tau. And his wife will be ta e. Okay? But when it's father's sister, then it's bu a. Bua. Her wife is fu fa. Okay? These are all uncle and aunties, but we kind of say it in a different way. So father's younger brother is called Cha, and his wife will be Chi. Okay? So let's come to mom's side. So mom's brother is Ma, and her wife will be Mi. So mother's sister is your aunt, but we say it as Mau. So Ma plus Au matra is Mau, right? So it's Mau, so plus E matra, so Si. Mausi, Mausa. Okay, so Mausi, Mausa. Next, husband and wife. So husband is called per, dental the, then it's E. So pati. And there is a horizontal conjunction going on here. So the first step is to recognize the half consonant. It's half of dental the. So you kind of say the sound of the half of the to the before consonant. So it will be pat and ni. Patni. So pati, patni is husband and wife, and son and daughter is b plus a will be be. So be rectoflex ta, so it will be beta. So it's not aspirated, it's unaspirated. So it will be beta. And daughter will be beti. Okay? So once more, we'll try. So your sister, elder sister will be Didi, younger sister will be Bahan, your elder brother will be Bhaiya, your younger brother will be Bai, your dad will be Papa, your mom will be Ma, your father's side grandfather will be Dada and Dadi, grandfather and grandmother, and your mother's side grandfather will be Nana and Nani. Let's go to the father's side. Elder brother and younger brother. Elder brother is Tau and younger brother is Chacha. And their wives are Tai and Chachi. You kind of say it a E version of that. And the father's sister is called Bua and wife, her her husband is called as Fufa. Comes to the mom side. So mother's brother is Mama and her wife is Mami and mother's sister is Mausi. His husband is Mausa. Husband and wife is called as Pati, Patni. And then son is Beta, Beti. Okay? This is the relationship chart. I could have exaggerated it, but I did not. I put it as like a basic relation that you should know. So that's it for now. So, ta-da!